Go placidly amid the noise of days, and remember what peace there may be in silence, as far as possible without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others, even to the dull, the ignorant. They have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive person. They are vexation to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or bitter. For always, there will be greater and lesser person than yourself. Enjoy achievement as well as your plan. Keep interested in your own career, however humble. It is a real possession in the changing fortune of time.